Hello everyone, let's start our class. Today we will learn some more katakana vocabulary. Our first vocabulary is ball pen. How do we write ball pen in Japanese? We say boru pen, and that is bo, elongation, ru, pe and nasal sound na. So boru pen is ball pen. Next is copy. Copy in Japanese is used for to copy something, to xerox something. So it always comes with verb copy shimasu. Okay, so to xerox is, to copy is copy shimasu. Okay, so it is not for copy, pen, stationery, it is for verb. Next, puru. Puru is pool. Pu, elongation, ru. Next is catalog. We write catalog with ka, ta, ro and gu. Katarog is catalog. Computer. Ko, pu, ta. So computer is elongation after pu and then elongation after ta. Computer, that is computer. Next word is escalator. Escalator would be a, su, ka, re, ta, escareta. So re is elongated and ta is also elongated. Escareta is escalator. Next is erebeta. A, re, be, elongation, ta. Erebeta, that is elevator. Now we will learn some more kanjis. So we will start with kimasu. This is kimasu, to come. Another reading is rai. So let's learn the stroke order. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then sixth and seventh. It is kimasu. So let's make a sentence. That person is coming to my office. So that person will be ano hito. Ano hito wa watashi. My office will be watashi no jimusho ni. Kimasu te form will be kite imasu. So here kite we can write in kanji. Ano hito wa watashi no jimusho ni kite imasu. Okay. Next we will learn kanji for father, and that is chichi. Chichi is called father in Japanese. Another reading for father is fu. So let's learn the stroke order. It's very easy. First, second, third and then fourth. So first, second, third and then fourth, and this is chichi. Let's use this in a sentence. My father is kind and simple. Okay, so my father will be chichi wa kind shinsetsu. They simple is yasashi. This wa chichi wa shinsetsu de yasashi de. Here shinsetsu is an R type adjective, so we have used particle de to add it with yasashi, another adjective. Next kanji is haha, that is my mother. So haha, another reading is bo. It means mother. So when we say my mother cooks tasty food, my mother cooks tasty food. My mother is haha, we'll use it. Wa tasty is oishi. Food will be gohan. Then object particle o and tsukurimasu, the verb for to cook, that is tsukurimasu. Gohan has two meaning. It is used in two ways. First is for rice and second is for food. Gohan is the rice Japanese eat in a bowl. Suppose you eat that rice, you order some rice in a restaurant, you ask for, can I have some rice? Rice in Japan means it should be served in a plate and not in a bowl. If it is served in a bowl, it is gohan. Only the presentation is different, the vocabulary differs. So if it is a plate, it is a Western style serving. If it is in a bowl, it is a Japanese style of serving. So in plate, you are supposedly eating it with spoon, but if it is in a bowl, Japanese people are eating with chopstick. So this is how the culture difference comes. Next kanji is ani. Ani is elder brother. So first, second, third, fourth, and this is how it becomes ani. So let's write it. Ani, another reading is kyo. It is for elder brother. One kanji and it would mean elder brother, both. So let's see the stroke order. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Let's use it. If I say my elder brother is playing badminton, it will be ani wa bado minton. That is for badminton. Badminton o shite imasu. Present continuous. My elder brother is playing badminton. Okay. Next kanji is elder sister, that is ane. Another reading is she. So let's see the stroke order. First, second, third. So this is the kanji for women. Okay, and then we start with first, second and third. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and finally eighth. This is how we write ane. So let's make a sentence. So my elder sister is studying maths or any other subject. You can put my elder sister. Ane wa. Ane wa. If you say geography, it is chirigaku. Chirigaku o benkyou shite imasu. Okay, so my elder sister is studying geography. Okay, let's do the another kanji, that is for younger brother. It is ototo. My younger brother is called ototo. Another reading could be tai or dai. Okay, my younger brother. Okay, so let's do the stroke order. First, second, third, first, second, third, fourth, second, third, fourth, fifth, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is how we write ototo. Next we can do is to make a sentence. How do we use ototo in a sentence? Now we can also combine the kanji of ani and ototo to make a vocab which is called kyodai. If we write ani and ototo together, it will be kyodai and it would mean siblings. Okay, so if someone asks you kyodai wa nannin imasu ka, nannin is for question. So kyodai wa nannin imasu ka, how many siblings do you have? So if kyodai, you can write the kanji kyodai wa nannin imasu ka. Nin is the kanji for hito. Here we will read it nin. Imasu ka. Instead of writing wa, we will write ga because it is a question now. Kyodai ga nannin imasu ka? So, how many siblings do you have or how many siblings you are? Next kanji is imoto, which is the kanji for younger sister. Imoto. Imoto is my younger sister. And another reading is my. My younger sister. If we combine the kanji of imoto with ane, it would actually make sisters. Okay, so first we'll write kanji of ane. and we'll combine it with imoto. So it will become sisters, and it will be read as shimai. You can say I have 4 sisters. So watashi wa shimai ga 4人 imasu. Here instead of shimai we can use the kanji of shimai, and that is ane and imoto. So ane and imoto, it would mean sisters. I have 4 sisters. Next kanji is kanji of ame. That is rain. Another reading for ame is you. So let's do the stroke order. First, second, third, and then this. It actually resembles to the raindrop. So if we say the whole day rained today, okay, it rained whole day today, or it was raining whole day. So the whole day will be, so ichi, nichi, ju, ame ga futte imashita. Let's make a sentence using ame. It will rain today. So today is kyo. Kyo wa ame ga furimasu. Ame ga furimasu is, ame ga furimasu means to rain. So we can use, instead of ame in hiragana, we can write the kanji. Kyo wa ame ga furimasu. Okay. So now we'll do the verbs where we have left the 3 groups of the verb. First group, second group, and the third group. In the third group we learn that there are only 2 types of verb, 2 verbs. Those are shimas and kimas. Shimas means to do and kimas means to come. Te form of the verb we make by cutting mas and adding te. So when we say simas and kimas and want to make the te form, we only need to cut mas and add te. We also learned the same apply in the second group when it is tabemas or mukaemas. Tabemas means to eat and mukaemas means to receive. And the similar way to the third group, we cut mas and add te. Now we'll learn how to make te form of first group verb. First group verb have been further categorized into different category. First is kakimas, which means to write. So ending with ki before mas. Next is kaimas, which means to buy. Tachimasu, which means to stand. Kaerimasu, which means to return. Next is yobimasu, to call. Yomimasu means to read, and shinimasu, die. Next is and all these first category of first group will have the different rule to change it into te form. Kakimasu, kaimasu, tachimasu, kaerimasu, yobimasu, yomimasu, shinimasu. Verb ending with coming like this. If there is ki sound before mas, all those verbs will come into one category. Suppose it is kakimasu, next it is migakimasu. So there is ki before the mas sound. We'll change it into kaite and migaite. This is how it will change into te form. If there is ki before mas, we'll have to cut it from there and add ite. Kaite, migaite. Migakimasu is to polish or clean. To clean something, to polish something. Next is e, chi and ri. All the verbs which has e sound, chi sound and ri sound before mas, it will change into double te sound. Kaimasu will change into katte, tachimasu will change into tatte, and kaerimasu will change into kaette. So this is the another category, subcategory of first group. Next is yobimasu, yomimasu, shinimasu. When there is b sound, mi sound and ni sound, it will change into unde. So yomimasu will change into yonde, yomimasu will also change into yonde, and shinimasu will change into shinde. Next is if the verb is having she sound before mas, hanashimasu, which means to talk. Hanashimasu, dashimasu. So all those verbs which are having she sound will change into shite, hanashite. Dashimasu will change into dashite. So now let's use this. There is one exception in the first group, and that exception is ikimasu. Ikimasu ends with, there is ki sound before mas, but it will not go like ite, it is itte. So te form of ikimasu, that is special. So we can write it special. Ikimasu will change into itte. Now let's use te form of first group plus imas as present continuous form. Te form plus imas also means that something is happening in a continuous way, some tendency being observed. So if we say konogoro means these days. Okay, so there also we'll use te form of the verb, konogoro. So when there is some trend, we use te form plus imas. So if we say these days something is very popular, some food item like Japanese food are very popular, is getting popular these days. So Japanese food, and that is also sushi is getting very popular. Okay, so sushi is becoming popular these days. Then we can say sushi wa, or since it is these days, we will add it first, konogoro. Sushi wa hayatte imasu, or ninki ni natte imasu. Ninki is to be popular. Ninki ni natte imasu. Konogoro, these days. Natte imasu is coming from narimasu. Narimasu is to become. Since there is re sound before mas, it will change into natte. Ninki means popular. So konogoro, sushi, the Japanese food, sushi wa ninki ni natte imasu, is getting or is becoming popular. If any other verb, we can take it from here. Kaimasu or tachimasu or kairimasu will use the te form. We can use a verb which is machimasu. My friend is waiting. Is waiting. So friend will be tomodachi. Waiting is machimasu. It will change into, since there is chi sound, matte. Tomodachi wa matte imasu. My friend is waiting. Let's use another. Hanashimasu, which means to talk. So that person is talking in Japanese. So that person is ano hito wa. Japanese language is Nihongo. Since it is a tool, it will be de. So language is a tool. Ano hito wa Nihongo de hanashite imasu. So that person is talking in Japanese. Hanashimasu means to talk. Since there is she, it will change into shite. This is how we'll do te form of first group verb. We'll do further in the next class. Thank you.